Big changes are brewing in Afghanistan's economic landscape, and the world is watching. The Taliban administration is in high-stakes talks with Russia to revolutionize trade between the two nations. We're talking direct transactions worth hundreds of millions of dollars. And here's the kicker. They're ditching the US dollar in favor of local currencies. This bold move, led by Afghanistan's acting commerce minister, Haji Nuruddin Azizi, signals a seismic shift in how Afghanistan does business. On Thursday, May 22nd, Azizi dropped a bombshell in an exclusive interview with us, revealing that similar game-changing proposals are also on the table with China. Azizi's vision: to break free from the chokehold of the US dollar and empower Afghanistan's economy. Technical teams from Afghanistan and Russia are burning the midnight oil, hammering out the details to make this a reality. And it's not just talk. Afghanistan and Russia already share $300 million in annual trade, with expectations to skyrocket as investments pour into petroleum products and plastics.
We are currently engaged in specialized discussions, considering regional and global economic perspectives, sanctions, and the issues Afghanistan is currently facing, as well as those Russia is dealing with. We are having technical discussions, and I'm confident that this is a very good option.
Since 2022, Afghanistan has leaned on Russia for critical imports like gas, oil, and wheat. But the country's financial sector has been battered by sanctions on some Taliban leaders and a sharp drop in US dollar inflows after aid cuts. Azizi says trading in local currencies isn't just a workaround. It's a lifeline for the Afghan people and a step towards stabilizing the economy. But Russia's not the only player in this economic chess game. Afghanistan is also forging ties with China. Azizi revealed that a dedicated working team, including members from the Afghan Ministry of Commerce and the Chinese Embassy, is already hashing out plans to mirror this local currency push with Beijing.
Just as we seek to establish financial ties with Russia through local or regional currencies or markets, we also aim to develop similar relations with China. We have put forward proposals in this regard, and preliminary discussions have already taken place. We are looking to move forward with China in this area as well.
This isn't just about banking, it's about boosting exports and imports to supercharge Afghanistan's economy. The Chinese embassy, acting as Beijing's economic arm in Kabul, is deeply involved, ensuring these plans don't just stay on paper.
We have formed a working team in coordination with the Ministry of Commerce, especially with the Chinese Embassy, which acts as an authorized representative of China. The team is currently engaged in discussions on our economic programs, not only focusing on banking initiatives, but also on exports and imports.
Now, here's where it gets strategic. Around half of Russia's banks are under international sanctions, but Azizi's team is laser-focused on partnering with those that aren't. This clever workaround could slash transaction costs and keep the trade flowing smoothly.
There are many Russian banks. Around 50% of them are under sanctions. Some Russian banks are not sanctioned by the international community. We want to continue working with the banks that are not under international sanctions to reduce costs.
As Afghanistan navigates a complex global stage, these bold moves with Russia and China could redefine its economic future. Will this be the key to unlocking stability and prosperity for the Afghan people? Only time will tell, but one thing's clear: the world is watching Afghanistan's next move.